everyone, welcome to STEAM Time with Sarah. My name is Sarah and I'm the STEAM educator at the Greensboro Children's Museum. Today we will be talking about germs. Gross! Certain germs can live on surfaces for hours, days, even weeks. Did you know that there are more germs on your remote control and your cell phone than there are on a toilet? Gross! 80% of illnesses are caused by the germs that are living on our hands. That's why it's so important to wash your hands. Remember, when you're washing your hands, you have to scrub with warm soapy water for 20 seconds. If you can't count to 20, it's easier to just sing the happy birthday song 2 times. If you want to see the importance of washing your hands, follow along with me. We're about to do an experiment. For this experiment, you're going to need a small clear bowl, some water, some dish detergent, and I used pepper. You don't have to use pepper. You can use salt, glitter, small pieces of paper, maybe even some beads. Anything you can find around your house that might work, please give it a shot. We're going to begin our project with our clear plastic bowl. We're going to fill it up with water. You can use water from your sink, directly from your sink, but I went ahead and filled up these glasses so I would know exactly how much water I would be pouring into my bowl. Next, you're going to need your pepper or your sparkles or whatever you've decided to put in your water. You're going to dump it all around. All right, so we're going to use our imaginations here, and we're going to pretend that the salt or the pepper or the sparkles or whatever you put in your water, we're going to pretend that this floating around in the water are germs. Now, my hands haven't been washed in a little bit, so I know that they definitely have germs on them. So I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to stick it in the water. Notice what's happening? I'm getting this pepper or our pretend germs all over my finger. So we know that germs are living on our hands, we just can't see them. Now, you're gonna scoot your water to the side. You're going to take your dish detergent and you're gonna put just a little bit on your finger. So you have it on your finger. You're then going to put it in the water. What happened? Did you see all of the pepper float away from my clean finger? That's how germs react to your clean hands. So remember, friends, next time you're washing your hands, make sure to use warm soapy water, scrub really hard, and sing happy birthday twice, or count to 20 seconds. Then you'll for sure get rid of your germs. We'll see you next time.